Today we're going to be making Blackberry and Apple Filo strudels or parcels. Now I've got one Granny Smith apple, 150 grams of blackberries, and I'm going to only use about 80 grams of this sugar. So we're going to put our blackberries and our apple in a pan and sprinkle our sugar over the top. You can add more or less sugar, this is just to taste. I'm going to put it on the heat with a lid on and leave it for 3 minutes on a medium heat. This should bring out all the moisture from the blackberries, and then you can start to cook that down and make it nice and syrupy. Once that's done, you can give it a taste and adjust how much sugar's in it. So if you want it a little sweeter or a little thicker, you can add some more sugar. I'm now going to leave this to cool. Once that's cold, I'm going to take a sheet of Filo pastry, some Demerara sugar, and about 100 grams of melted butter. I'm going to cut that pastry in half. We're then going to soak it in melted butter. It's really important to put plenty on. You then want to sprinkle that with Demerara sugar, and this gives it a nice toffee flavour. I'm going to fold it over and soak it in butter again. And we're then going to add a spoon of our compote, blackberry and apple, and just fold the pastry over gently. I'm going to pat it down at the sides and fold each side in to create a seam so that the filling doesn't fall out. And then we're just going to roll it up. Soak it in more butter and sprinkle it with more Demerara sugar. Alternatively, you pop it on your compote on at an angle to the corner and fold it into a triangle. Just keep folding it over naturally and it'll form a nice sort of turnover shape. Just making sure you pinch the edge with the seam on, coating it in butter and then sugar. They're then ready to go in the oven on a piece of greaseproof paper at 180 for about 12 to 15 minutes till they're nice and golden and crispy. And that's it. If you like this video, hit that button, and if you really liked it, consider subscribing. Thanks.